Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. We are here on a beautiful Sunday morning. Hell, it's probably close to afternoon by now. Heard a little buzzing going on when I was in the house. A little buzzing noise going on outside. So I figured I'd come out here and kind of investigate, see what's going on. So, yeah, let's go check this out, man. Check this out. We got us a grass ninja. Hard at play. So the grass had not really been growing much because we were sort of in a drought here for a while. And since we've been getting pretty good amount of rain these last couple weeks, the grass just shot up. So she's been talking about coming out here and doing some grass cutting, and so have I, of course. I'm waiting for my boots. I ordered some boots like those, except mine are black, and I'm waiting for those because, quite honestly, you come out here and use that weed cutter, grass cutter, you hit one little rock or pebble or whatever, and that thing, who knows where it's gonna go, and most likely it's gonna go into your shins or your ankles or whatever. So I don't even like standing right where I'm at because these little rocks right in here, that grass cutter catches them, and boy, they'll frickin' fly like bullets. So I told her to wear some eye protection and then wear some, at least some like rubber rain boots to help prevent any injuries, flying debris, whatever. So, but yeah, it's a little Makita battery powered grass trimmer, and it works great. It takes a while. I mean, it's time consuming because it's such a small cutter, but it works. And she enjoys doing it, so what the hell, right? Even though it is pretty warm out here. Pretty hot, huh? Need some water? I'll go get you some. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. It's a jungle out here. This grass really shot up, so. And then of course the dogs are digging holes in the, you know, when it rains, softens up the ground, and the dogs enjoy doing some excavation. Let's see what else we got going on here. Yeah, see the whole side here. Just grass, grass, grass everywhere. So yeah, the house is doing well. Everything's doing just dandy over here. Like I said before, we're paying about 16K a month, 16,000 pesos a month, which when you do the exchange rate this month anyways, our rent came to 275 US dollars for this month. Usually it's right around 288, 292, but we have an exceptionally good exchange rate right now. So rent came in at about 275, which you can't beat that. I mean, it's a pretty damn big house, and we love it. Every morning I wake up and I feel blessed to have this house. It's really, really nice. A little messy in the backyard. We gotta straighten up back here, but yeah, it's a lot of work. We're gonna be doing an extended roof here. I know we're just renters, but man, it's time. The sun really beats down hard in this back area. You really don't even want to spend any time back here doing anything when it's, you know, mid-afternoon. And you know, with previous experience on extended roofs, they really help out a lot with blocking the sun, and you can actually come out here and do things, you know, sit down, work, clean, whatever you want to do. and then we want to build a little dirty kitchen right out back here, because we don't like cooking inside the house. That's one thing we've kind of gotten used to, is cooking outside year round. I mean, the weather's good enough here, we can do that. So we're going to build us a little dirty kitchen out here, just basically an extended roof going over, and then we'll put in like a cement hollow block wall here going out this way, going across ways here on the edge, and then we'll build like a countertop where we can put the gas stove and whatever else. It'll look nice. I hope to do a video on that when we get it completed, or hell, maybe even as we're doing it. And then we gotta come up with some kind of idea for storage space, because right now I just have too much gear adrift back here, and it just, I don't know, it's kind of bugs me a little bit. But right now I just don't have any place to really put this stuff. Some of this stuff we brought over from the other house, like this big gate door here, which, hell, I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. You know, I might fabricate it into the dirty kitchen wall out here when we start building it. Maybe I can find some need for this door here, but I don't know. We'll see. Then, of course, the dog kennel. Dogs still use this. It works great. They've gotten pretty much accustomed to this being their place to sleep each night. So, and that's all we use it for. We don't put them in here during the daytime. They get to run free and do whatever they want, goof around. I do have to inspect this backyard for sharp objects like that. The dogs have been coming up, the meatheads. I refer to the Rottweilers as meatheads. So they've been coming up with all these like random gashes on their body, scratches and scabs and stuff. And so they like to horseplay, of course. So they're running into something. And you know, I got things like this, and then I got a scrap metal bin over there that they could possibly be running into and scratching themselves. So I have to come back here and do a little bit of inspecting. Look at that. I mean, we got scrap metal and even combat wire that's rolled up over it. All kinds of sharp objects, man. And I have a bad feeling that these dogs, they just don't watch where they're going, just like little kids. You know, and they run into shit and they hurt themselves, and you know, it's just not good. So yeah, this is the back of the place. Like I said, a little disorganized right now, but we'll get there. Let me see. Lots of wood that we brought over from the other place. We bought some wood from a guy in the neighborhood. He had cut down a big mahogany tree, chopped it up into pieces, and then we came along and bought some from him. It works great for smoking. We like to do our our smoking over there on the smoker, pork and chicken and salmon and whatever else. Another item that we brought over from the other house, this wall that we use. Once again, I don't know what the hell I'm going to use it for, but you know, we paid for it, we bought it, so we brought it along with us, and hopefully we can find a use for it. So yeah, this is it. This is what we've been using, or she's been using to cook. Got a couple tanks of gas down there, and it's just an inconvenience, especially if it's raining. You know, you got to run out the back door and whip around the corner here and do your cooking, and it's just a pain in the butt. Like I said, we want to get that dirty kitchen over there closer to the back door, so it's, you know, shorter distance to travel from the kitchen to the place where we do our cooking and whatnot. We like grills. As you can see, this is the one I brought from the United States. This is our little what do you call it, a Smoky Joe Weber. So that one's been getting a lot of use. So to kind of give that one a little bit of a break every now and then, we bought another small grill over here. So a bunch of weights. Got our Honda ADV. As I tell you guys, and I paid pretty good amount of money for this thing, and we hardly ever use it. It's nice to have, but I find myself having to start it up and recharge the battery more often than I actually start it up to go out and drive it. I don't know. There's that grill that I was talking about. It's made by Barrel Pro, a company here in the Philippines. I think they're in Bulacan, something like that. And they make really, really nice smokers and grills and things like that. So, yep. And there's our other one. You've probably seen this one on plenty of videos. I've probably bored you guys to tears with these damn videos on smoking, but there it is. And we'll be ready to use that here again soon. Yeah, the terrace where the dogs like to hang out. Front terrace. All kinds of plants that Mom has acquired through time. The Kubo, which we don't use much anymore since we moved over here, primarily because you know, the house is a lot bigger. You know, whereas before we lived in a small house, so we didn't spend much time in there except for maybe just sleeping and using the bathroom, you know, just stupid stuff. But yeah, there she is. How you doing, babe? Yeah, small. Yeah, just a little bit at a time. Okay, I'll go get you some water. All right, hold on. Yeah, the other night, God dang, I was sitting in the house. She was outside here, and I heard there a little bit of a ruckus going on. I didn't think nothing of it, and all of a sudden I heard her say, "Eric, get out," or whatever. "Hun, get out here, get out here. Help me, help me." I was like, holy shit, what's going on? So I come running out here, and so it turns out Eden is over here. She's standing over here with a broom, swatting at the rots, at the two rots. And I'm like, what the hell's going on out here? She's like, a cat, a cat, a cat, a cat, there's a cat. And they had, the two meatheads that is, they had this cat cornered back in here. And I swear to God, this cat was either too young or too dumb, too naive, didn't know what the hell to do, which is kind of, to me, kind of strange, because, you know, cats, if I'm cornered by a couple Rottweilers, I'm a cat, man. I'm going right up over that fence and I'm gone. But it's like he couldn't crawl or he couldn't climb. I don't know. It was bizarre. And the two dogs, I've never seen them so pumped up before, and I thought they were gonna kill this cat. And as it turns out later, she told me that, my wife that is, she told me that one of them, I still don't know which one, had it in her mouth and was shaking, thrashing, you know, like how dogs do when they're killing something. So I was like, my God, these dogs really hate cats. And this poor cat, I think it was more of a kitty than it was a cat. Didn't know what to do. She was all confused. I checked it on CCTV camera later, and these two dogs were chasing that cat all over the place, and he couldn't get away. And then, like I said, one of them got a hold of it and was whipping her head back and forth, you know, basically thrashing it. So I came out here, and then we got it broken up, and the cat, with the help of Eden, managed to escape. You know, we were trying to save the cat. It's not like we were sitting here rooting our dogs on, kill that cat, kill it. No, man, we were trying to save it. And I'm holding the Rottweilers back. I ended up bringing them up on the terrace here, you know, somehow getting them both up on the terrace away from that cat. And then I subdued them up here on the terrace so they couldn't move. You know, I had my one hand on each of them. And while she helped that kitty cat get the hell out of here. But I think it was injured. Yeah, she said it was bleeding. So I was like, oh man. So yeah, it was pretty bad. But I'm hoping the cat survived. I really am. I hope so. Yeah, it was pretty. And the dogs were panting. They went inside the house. I brought them inside the house to kind of calm down. And they both, each of them drank a whole bowl of water. I mean, we got them calmed. It was just crazy. It was nuts. I'd never seen those two want to kill anything as badly as they wanted to kill that night. Right? Doing okay, babe?
I don't have battery.
Is it dead already?
Yeah.
It was fully charged, wasn't it?
Yeah,
but that's not right. That shouldn't be like that. Oh man. So yeah, that's not. It shouldn't. It's.
and then continue again tomorrow if the two battery will go.
Are both of them dead?
No, not yet. Only this.
That should last at least an hour, hon.
I don't know.
It's dead. Wow.
I'm not the one who's doing.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyways.
Maybe because the grass is so thick, I need to
Go over.
to cut because I don't want that those is rocks will.
Yeah.
If the blade will hit the rocks, I need to slow down.
Yeah.
Layer by layer, especially here.
Yeah, it's thick. It is thick.
But you know, after a week, they will be thick again.
Yep.
But it's fine. Rather than paying someone
Well,
to cut it.
Yeah.
I'll just
Well,
do that.
I'll tell you what. After I'm shut off the camera here, I'll grab a rake and I'll rake up this dead grass. So it's hot though, man. It's very warm.
You can wait it for something.
Yeah, maybe it'd be better. I've got to start up that ADV too because I don't want the battery to poop out on us. All right, one thing I've noticed is that we really haven't been making any videos outside the home territory. I looked at the last few videos that we made and they've all pretty much been
2 years ago.
domestic videos. So I promise, for those of you who like to watch videos of your hometown or whatever, whether you be an OFW or you be whatever, living abroad somewhere. I know there's some subscribers out there that are from here but they don't live here, and they like to see, kind of have an update of, you know, kind of what's going on in Alaminos City or Lucap or just, you know, the general area here. And I promise I will do that again soon. I haven't been, and I apologize for that. But we'll get out in town and we'll walk around, maybe hit the market, or, you know, just the usual stuff that you do here, you know, hit the CSI or whatever. Just kind of give you a heads up to what's going on around here. So, but with that said, until then, you guys take it easy, and we'll talk to you again real soon. All right, later guys, bye.